Beep, beep, beep. Works great. Hey, good morning guys. Welcome back to the Daydreamer Hustle. Today we are going to install this Latchit RV door lock, which just came in the mail yesterday. It was actually 2 of them came, and I got the 2 keyed alike one, and yesterday I couldn't wait, but we installed this one and it looks amazing. Works awesome. So we are going to install it on this one here. It slams pretty hard. So this is what comes in the box. Get your owner's manual, thank you card, thank you for your purchase you made today, foam backing, batteries, a nice little keychain, comes with a multi little screwdriver kit, Phillips and flathead, which is nice. Striker plates, two key remotes, and this bad boy. This thing is solid. It's all steel construction, which is a lot nicer than the new ones that are out. Nice keypad buttons function, and of course your backup key when you have a problem. Battery runs out, of course. So let's get to install this thing. So first things first, you could do this later, but you install the batteries. So there's two screws here. You unscrew. On the inside of the handle. There's a screw. Oh, don't lose them. That pops open. Goes back on like that. So now you want to disassemble this. So you got 4 screws. There. There. And the body comes apart. So let's go and take my old one apart. So it's just that simple. Take that one out, put this one, brand new one in. So before you install this plate, make sure you plug this in. Like key fob. Beep, beep, beep. Works great. So these keys are numbered, so we have the 2 key to like, so they work on both doors. So this works pretty easy. It's nice and smooth. There's a code reset, a fob learn, and just to turn off the fob on and off. So this just turns off your whole keypad, so you have to use your key. So there's that there, and then this is the front. Whoops. So when you park in storage, you can just turn this off, and you just gotta remember your keys when you get there. So it's nice. It's not like a slam latch, it's just a smooth shut your door. Not like our other ones was just like slam. This one's just a push and it actually locks, and it's nice. It shuts. So that's our Latch.It. We're gonna definitely give them a nice review. So there you have it, Latch.It. We did a lot of research on this, and this was pretty much had really good reviews, and then they're actually getting really popular now because all heavy-duty metal construction. We hear that other ones are just has a plastic construction. We ordered ours off Amazon, and 1 week there I was looking at it and they're all sold out. Then I had to wait a month, so when they came back in stock, and then I was humming and hawing about it, and then they went out of stock again. So I reached out to Latch.It and they sent me an email saying we have them in stock. I went on Amazon, bang, bought it. So really happy with their product for sure. Our door, the next video might look different. We're going to install a window, so stay tuned for that. It's a little dark inside. As you can tell, there's no windows except our bedroom window, so it'd be nice to have a window there. And if we love our window so much, we might actually put one just because on the back door as well. If you guys like the video, remember, hit the subscribe button. We're doing a lot more projects